always had the vision of the social enterprise at Salesforce. Oh, that's been for more than a decade. Oh, we've had Dreamforce is entirely dedicated to the vision of what a collaborative interface, a high productive interface with applications and an ecosystem would look like, wrapped on top of our Customer 360. We thought about it for years. And right there, actually the building right next door to Salesforce Park, guess what? There's an amazing company right there that has been executing the vision of the social enterprise, a vision of a truly collaborative product, a social product. It's incredible. And I want to tell you that now we have brought Slack into the Customer 360 so it can provide a comprehensive interface to all of our services. It's amazing. It's an amazing vision. Now look it. It's not my vision. I want to introduce you to a couple of people who have had this vision, and they're going to explain it to you. So first of all, let me introduce you to an incredible entrepreneur, an incredible CEO, the founder of Slack, Stewart Butterfield. Stewart, come on out here. And we couldn't be more thrilled to have Slack part of Salesforce. So can you just tell us, you and Brett Taylor, our COO, have kind of come up with this magical vision of the future. I mean, it's inspired me. It's inspired so many other people. Can you tell us, what do you see going forward?
Sure. That's the perfect setup. We see this spectrum, and I think everyone listening to this, you can think about what's happening inside your companies. At one end of the spectrum, you have these systems, automated processes, machines talking to machines. A customer makes an order, and your inventory is updated. Someone submits a ticket, and that goes into the queue for response. One step up from that, you have these applications, wonderful applications like Slack, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, this whole layer that you interact with. And above that, there's the conversations, the social part, the messy decision-making, the arguments, but that's where the action happens. And you, Salesforce, you guys invented the cloud, and you've done an incredible job, I think, over the last 20 years of pulling all of these pieces together, making those applications and those systems of records incredibly tight. And Slack, I think, has done a great job in taking that conversational level, the context, the decision-making, and bringing it to the applications. You put those all together, and you really have the opportunity for end-to-end digital transformation. And that's what's really exciting.
Well, I'll tell you, Stewart, I have to be honest. I've been at home all year, and this is my first time I've basically been out of my home. And let me tell you what's on my desktop. I got Salesforce, my Sales Cloud, my Service Cloud. I've got Tableau Analytics. I'm using Zoom to do my video conferencing and my meetings with my customers and employees all over the world. And I have Slack. All three of these interacting and engaging with each other. Is that your vision of how the future looks? Are we going to be selling, servicing, marketing? Are we going to be working from anywhere?
Absolutely, working from everywhere. And I feel like this moment is one that we will remember a couple decades from now. I think this is like the IBM AS370, and this is like VisiCalc hitting the Apple II, and it's like Windows 95 launch. It's like the invention of the cloud. It's like the invention of these things. Because I think this is a pivotal moment and the opportunity to really transform the way that we work so that we're not as reliant on the physical office, that we can have a digital HQ.
Well, we couldn't be more excited to have Slack as part of Salesforce, and I know your tremendous vision of how that all integrates together.